Hey everyone, if you are trying to connect your Xumo remote to the Samsung TV and it's not working yet, this video will walk you through the exact steps. So before even starting, just make sure that your Samsung TV is turned on and your Xumo device is properly connected. So first of all, you need to open the back of your Xumo remote and then you need to insert the new batteries into it. Just make sure that they are aligned correctly. The weak batteries can stop pairing from working. So once you are done, simply close the cover securely. Now you need to use your TV's power button or your existing Samsung remote in order to turn on your TV. So if you are using Xumo streaming device, just make sure that it is plugged in and deploying on your TV screen. Now this is going to be the Xumo remote. On it, you are going to see this OK button, which is going to look something like this. So you need to press the OK and the back button. So here we have the back button and this is our OK button. So simply press and hold the OK and the back button together for about 5 seconds. Now you should see a flashing light on your remote. This means that it is in the pairing mode. So using your current working remote, simply go to the Xumo home screen. Afterwards, you need to navigate to the settings. In the settings, look for the option of the accessories or remote setup. So in the remote setup, you will find the option of remote or setting up the remote. So you just have to click on that and wait for the pairing of your remote. Your Samsung TV screen should show you the Xumo remote when it is detected. So when you see the pop-up here, simply click on it in order to confirm the pairing. So once it is connected successfully, it will show that it is connected or your remote is now connected successfully. Now after pairing, go to the settings again and find the TV control setups. Choose the Samsung as your TV brand. Then follow on-screen instructions in order to test the volume or the power buttons. If your TV responds, the setup is complete. If it doesn't work, you can just simply repeat the TV control setup and try again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.